Hello everyone and welcome to Ray's Tech Tip, where in this video we're going to be talking about how to activate Windows 10. If you do not want to buy a Windows 10 copy, then we'll do it right here. Okay, so first of all, we're going to press the Windows key and type in CMD in the search box. Next, what we're going to do is click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes, and now we should have this prompt up. Once you've done that, we're just going to minimize that, not close it, but minimize it because we're going to need it. Next, you're going to open up any browser of your own choice, and we're going to type in Windows 10 Activate. For this, I will leave the link down in the description below, so you can just click on that instead of searching. And now we're going to scroll all the way down, and then we have these options. So we're just going to skip number 1 because we've already done that. We're going to go into number 2. So we're going to copy this one, which is slmgr. Just going to paste that in there, and then whatever Windows 10 version you have, you're going to copy it. For example, let's say if I had professional, just going to paste that there, and then we're going to click enter. Should say that it's been successful, and then we just click OK. Next, you're going to scroll down, still have the CMD open, and then we're going to copy this one. This is just to make sure that it connects to the server. Then you're going to click enter again after pasting in the Google command prompt. Next thing you're going to do is go to the 4th step. We're going to go down to here, click copy, Ctrl C, then you're going to paste it into here. After you've done that, you're going to click enter, and now it should say activating Windows this. And now you just click OK, and then you are done. I already have Windows 10 activated, so I can't really show you. We're going to go to Control Panel, click on System Security, System, and it's there. If you have any questions, let me know down in the description below and I'll help you out on that. This was a short video on activating Windows 10, so I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye!